Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your workflow with Documint in 2026. If you want to reduce repetitive tasks and generate documents faster, this guide will walk you through the best setup step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Documint website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, review the documents you create most often, such as invoices, contracts, proposals, reports, or certificates. Next, create reusable templates for those documents instead of starting from scratch every time. Add dynamic fields for information like customer names, dates, addresses, invoice numbers, and payment details. Now organize your templates with clear names so you and your team can quickly find the correct document whenever it's needed. Next, connect Documint to your preferred data source. You can use Google Sheets, Make, Zapier, or the Documint API to automatically send information into your templates without manual data entry. Once your integrations are configured, generate a test document to confirm that all fields are mapped correctly and the formatting appears exactly as expected. If you regularly create the same types of documents, automate the generation process so new documents are created whenever new data is received. This helps reduce manual work, minimize errors, and save valuable time. Finally, review your templates and workflows regularly, update them as your business needs change, and remove outdated templates to keep everything organized and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to improve your workflow with Documint step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.